Hello, welcome back. I hope you're having an amazing day. Today I am going to update you on our no spend challenge. So this year I have the goal of a no spend year. If you're new here, my name is Shannon and you can hit the subscribe button to join our Simple Living community. So back in January, I posted a New Year's resolution goals video, and this was one of my goals for this year. So I just thought I would do an update once in a while to check in and let you know how this no spend year is going so far. Number one, I just want to challenge myself not to shop and also to not get distracted by items while I do have to shop. For instance, when I go grocery shopping, I want to make sure I stick to my list and only get what we truly need. My second reason is I want to save money for projects we want to do around the house, vacations that we want to take, and just general savings. We already save, but I want to see if cutting out little purchases that we make here and there can help us to save even more. My rules for this challenge are to mostly only replace things that need to be replaced. Of course, we're still gonna pay for all of our utilities, our mortgage, all of the things that we have to pay for to live, and we are going to still enjoy experiences as we have the opportunity to take them, because that's the whole point of becoming more minimal and decluttering for us, is to enjoy more experiences. But I just want to see if we can save a little bit more to add to those experiences, and also to save for fixing up the house a little bit more. So we will still be fixing up the house, but I am pricing out those jobs and I am saving in addition to our normal income for those projects. I know a lot of people do a no spend year or month to get out of debt. Currently, we really do not have any debt. Our only debt is on our mortgage. I consider that a pretty normal thing to have. So the money that I am trying to save with this challenge is going to go towards items that we really need for our home that we're living in a fixer-upper right now, and also just to build up our savings for our future. Let's get into how January went for us. I was very intentional that month with not going shopping at all. There were a few times when I did go to Costco to stock up on our normal supply of food, and I would see all the clothes and things. I just completely steered clear of anything that I didn't need. After the first week or so of January, I really got into the groove of not spending money. So January went really well. I do wish I could say we saved an additional $500 or something like that. But as life goes, there's always something that comes up. So my husband did have to go to the dentist, so any money that we would have saved was literally eaten up by that dental bill. But that's fine, because at least we didn't spend more than we needed to. Now going into February, this month is a shorter month, and I also did really well with spending. I would say the only thing that we did replace, which is a big ticket item, is our couch. And this was a long time coming. I know in one of my last videos, I kind of complained about how the kids were ripping the couch apart. And this couch, not to go into it too far, but it was extremely cheap when we bought it and very poor quality, and it was falling apart. It wasn't just the cushions, the back of the couch was falling apart, and my husband told me I can't even sit on the couch, it hurts my back so bad. So after a lot of discussion, we decided to invest in a new couch that was very affordable. We did find the most affordable couch that we could, and the cushions don't come off, so problem solved with the kids beating the cushions up. But that was a big ticket purchase, but it was to replace our old couch. And that's how I want this no spend year to go, is if I do have to buy something, it's going to replace. It's not going to be an additional item coming in. The only other item that I purchased for our household and family was a gift for my son who just turned 6. We decided to have a very tiny family gathering here at the house to celebrate his birthday, and of course we wanted to get him a gift. 2 purchases for the whole month of February is pretty good in my opinion. So did we save extra money in the month of February? Again, I wish that I could say that we saved an extra $500 or $1,000, but it just so happens that our car insurance was all due at that moment in the month of February. So again, any money that would have been saved was eaten up by that insurance money. But that's something that you have to live. What I think will happen is at the end of the year, I can look and add everything up and see how much we made, how much we spent, and it will all even out over that whole year, and hopefully we will have more savings. When it comes to a no spend year, obviously you make up the rules yourself. It's up to you what you want to spend your money on and how you want to make that no spend challenge go along. And this is how we're doing it. Please comment below and let me know if you've ever done a no spend challenge. And personally, I'm pretty proud of myself considering we only bought 2 items in the month of February besides our regular living expenses. You can click here to see our 11 rules to stay clutter free. And thank you so much for joining me today, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye.